Hi everybody, I'm back. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have another Stampin' Show and Tell for you today. Like I shared on Monday, we're working with the all-inclusive kit, Notes of Kindness. So this kit comes with your stamp set, your card bases, your embellishments, some pearls, some twine. It comes with an ink spot. You have your note card envelopes and all the pre-stuff, pre-die cut stuff that you can use to make all these cards. Easy and really fun. And of course, you can always make them the way you want to make them if you want to change them. But I'm going to show you how they were designed and how I put them together. So on Monday I showed you these two. So I'm going to clear those away. Today I'm going to do these other two for you. Okay, we don't want to keep the videos too long. So I'm going to put these two for you together. I'm going to do this one first. So I really like the way these leaves kind of come down on the card. So I'm just going to take my bone folder, crease that card, and this one we're just going to start with a peel and stick label, right? And you can put this anywhere you want. Okay, they kind of have it nested in here with the leaves, so I'm going to follow that. Okay, now from there I'm going to add just a little bit of twine for embellishment. And you can add your twine any way you want to. There's no rules. If you want them all to be tiny little bows, make them all tiny little bows. If you want them to be kind of crazy little pieces, make them crazy little pieces. This time I'm just going to kind of take it and twist it. That one I made a loop like a figure eight. This one I'm just going to kind of twist it and just put it on my dot and let it be kind of free range. Okay, now like the other day I showed you we've got these pre-die cut sets with ready to be stamped on. So I'm going to stamp it first and then I'm going to cut it out. So I'm using Blackberry Bliss for my ink instead of basic black, and I'm going to see through my stamp and right down to my label. I can stamp my word right on there. Now this one they've given us extra just in case you miss a little bit. That's a pretty tight label to stamp on, but you've always got two sides, and this one they actually gave you some extras, so no worries. Alright, so there's that. So all I need to do is take a couple of dimensionals. I think I'll take two. Flip this over. That way it's balanced and secure. I'm going to put that right over my ribbon like that. Okay, and then just for a little bit of pop, I'm going to add a couple of our self-adhesive burls that comes in the kit. And voila, that one's done. That wasn't that simple. Yeah? Good. I thought so too. So, there's that one. Now let me do this one for you. Okay? So, let's see. This time I'm working on the watercolor washed card. Okay, nice little watercolor wash. Then we're going to use two different labels. I've got one here with a green. It's kind of got a pattern on there. So I'm just going to build that down there. Then I've got this pink striped label, which happens to match the inside of the envelope. So that's nice that it all coordinates, but it's Stampin' Up. Of course it's going to coordinate. And I'm just building that right over the top and kind of offset a little bit here. Okay. Then I'm going to add a little bit of stamping to my base. So I'm going to add kind of up and around, little background stamping. Then I'm going to bring in the flower die cut. So that's all done for us. I'm going to put that on some dimensionals. Well, maybe two will do it. Okay. So some dimensionals there. Put my flower right kind of up in this space, just like so. Then I need to stamp my thanks. So I'm going to bring these labels back in. This one we're using the die cut rectangle here. I'm going to turn this around. Here's my stamp. Okay, so I'm just going to line that up. Stamp it down. Perfect. Pull that out, and that's going to get layered right in here with our other pieces that we've put on. So So a couple more dimensionals. What did we do before dimensionals? I use them on everything. So this is going to kind of get tucked right there. It's kind of overlapping both of those pieces. Okay. Then on this one, I'm going to take 8 inches of the twine, about 8 inches of the twine, and I'm going to make my little bunny ear bow. So what I do is I find the middle, make 2 loops, excuse me, tickle in my throat, tie a bow, then just kind of adjust and give that a good tug, make it the size you want it. Then you can trim off your ends if you want to make it nice and neat. And then I'm going to use a glue dot, and I'm going to kind of roll it, and I'm going to stick it right here underneath that flower, and I'm going to put my bow right there on top, and if you want to, you can tuck kind of one tail underneath, that's fine. And there's our card. Right? Easy. So there we go. So again, the all-inclusive kit, you get to make 20 cards. All you need to add is some snail or liquid adhesive, which I'm sure, crafting, you have that on hand. This would make a great gift for someone who likes to sit and be pampered and not have to do all the busy work of designing and prepping and cutting. They can just sit down and stamp and enjoy and be ready to send some note cards out to those that they want to contact. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this kit. I really enjoyed it. I needed some pampered stamping myself these last few days, so this helped me immensely. And I can't wait to send these out to all of you who I send cards to, because I think you're really going to enjoy all of them quite as much as I do. Come on over, visit me at the blog, pumpkinhillstampers.com. You can subscribe to my blog email, so you get not only my video tutorial posts, but you also get all of my other crafty posts, where I share other demo swap cards, catalog highlights, special techniques. Sometimes I dissect cards because we all want to know how they've been put together. And enjoy. So do some fun stamping. I hope you're enjoying your summer. I know I'm getting very busy with my little guy and trying to get all my stamping in to share. So I'd love to see a comment below. Let me know that you're enjoying what I'm doing, and I'll see you again very soon. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.